as we brought a bottle out to a snowbank.
We took it outside. Next, we stuck it in a snowbank.
We placed it in a snowbank. We came back later and it
You didn't talk about the pressure
and it shrunk in.
Stuff on the other side. Remember how we had written down like
Then we
I believe so. Sounds pretty good.
we brought it in
For the first one. Next one you can be a little more polished, but yes, you
and uncapped it.
We put the cork on the bottle, and then we squeezed the bottle. The corks like filed out of the bottle.
So technically, you're basically screwed.
So we changed its volume, pressure, and maybe its temperature. As we squeezed it, we put more pressure on in it, which made the cork fly off. As we squeezed it, the volume changed in the bottle.
Yeah, I can't watch it, but I can definitely talk.
Computer, run diagnostics, and it'll say error code 24 is being generated by the catalytic converter failure.
And then you have to know
As we,
I am looking seriously
we put
forward to having self-driving
the
cars in 4 years. That's what they say they'll be out.
boiling water in
Has self-driving car.
we put the boiling water in the cold water, and the can started, or the can shrunk inwards. We changed volume, pressure, temperature. Yeah. We changed the volume. We changed the volume by putting it in the cold water, and it shrunk in.
Well,
We changed
I don't know who it is. There's a lot of drawing on the
temperature by instantly making it
Is
cold.
that you? No.
That guy might have a boomerang.
No. This is the Google self-driving car.
That song.
pump up the jam.
Different song like that.
We pumped up
I
the
think it's that
tube.
song, I don't know.
Well,
The tube inflated. Ale
switch
didn't leak out.
delete it, so.
Just add to it, John. Or just add another slide, talking through it if you need.
And we the tube
John, have you tried using an external microphone on your iPad? And it doesn't work
inflated.
So it's definitely the sound of the iPad. It's not the iPad mic.
It's just the iPad itself. I had a problem with this.
What happened?
As we pumped in air, the bottle grew in size, so it would weigh more on the scale.
I don't know. Well, the best thing to do is to say everything
The pressure
that you know
increased.
and illustrate it as well as you can. Ask them what they got as far as information on it. Because which ones didn't you complete? The couple ones.
As he squeezes the bottom of the pipette goes down.
Seals it off, and why does it seal it off? Oh, you mean these two here? The one where you pulled the stuff apart? Okay, yeah.
We placed hot water in a graduated cylinder Then we
You put illustrations on there too?
we placed it outside, and as the temperature got colder, the balloon shrank in towards the graduate cylinder.
Turn it and go like right now. But you don't.
Yeah.
Better than having to do the work. They all die.
Wait, I have a question.
As the cup
Mr. Cronin, I have a question. During
is turned
if we do
upside
our
down,
supervisors almost instead some
the
sort of
water will
idea,
like act. I mean, the paper will act like a
sort of
suction
thing in
cup,
class like that.
and the water will stay in the cup. But if you take off of the paper, it will water will come out.
They do. I've seen it before.
When we placed Alka-Seltzer in a closed container of water and we capped it, turned upside down, as the water interacted with the Alka-Seltzer, we saw a small explosion.
The suction cups. Maybe we put the suction cups together, and we can't take it off because of what's the word? Pressure.